to stretch out the outside back of the hip. You'll have a block, pad, or book about 1 inch or 2 inches high, high enough that you can still shift your hip over to that side. So we're gonna have our hands on a surface that's lower than our shoulders. Our opposite foot, in this case the right foot's gonna be in front of that left one. We'll push into the surface, round our lower back out with an exhale. Then we're gonna shift our zipper, sternum, and nose over the left foot with the second exhale. Keeping our back rounded and keeping ourselves shifted over to the left in this case. We're gonna take our weight that's on our left heel, try to turn our knee in without forcing the pelvis to go with us. We're gonna try to work this thigh independently to internally rotate so that we feel our left inner thigh opening up the outside back of this left hip. So again, we're rounding our lower back with the exhale, shifting over to the left with an exhale, lining up our zipper, sternum, and nose. And then number 3, keeping most of our weight on our left outside heel. We're gonna try to internally rotate using our left inner thigh. And then, once we feel our left inner thigh, we're gonna see if we could bring our left shoulder and left hip closer to one another so that we can feel our left inner thigh, our left abdominals. And finally, we're gonna try to use our right foot, the right arch, and the right ball of the big toe with our remaining weight to push us even more into this left hip using our right glute to do so. All right, starting from the beginning, right foot's in front of the left just a little bit. Hands are on the table. We're rounding our lower back with an exhale. The next exhale, we're shifting over to the left. Third exhale, we're gonna internally rotate that left inner thigh to feel our left inner thigh, outer left hip. And then fourth exhale, we're gonna side bend, getting our left abs engaged even more by bringing our left shoulder and left hip closer to one another. From here, we're going to nasally breathe for about 5 to 10 breaths, feeling our left heel, left inner thigh, left abdominals, right glute pushing us over into that left hip. You want to do about 2 to 4 sets of